Hi everyone, today I want to share a product that I'm testing. I have a lot of hair and I've been always looking for the quality products since I live in Brazil. And I want to say hi to my Brazilian friends. So come with me to follow the end of this review.
Initiate the process with a thorough cleansing using any shampoo of your choice. It's essential to wash the hair 2 or 3 times to eliminate all residues and impurities. Post-shampooing, proceed to blow dry the hair to about 80% dryness. Maintaining slight humidity is crucial for optimal penetration and coating of the hair strands by the Select One cream organizer. Divide your hair into 4 sections to allow for even application of the cream. Apply Select One evenly to the strands of each section. Achieving an even coat is essential for consistent texture and smoothness of post-treatment hair. Prohall Select One is formulated without formaldehyde, offering a safer alternative for hair treatment. Although it may slightly alter the hair color by 1 or 2 levels, the benefit is the ability to color the hair on the same day as the treatment. Rinse the hair thoroughly with water to remove all trace of the product, a critical step to ensure no residue impacts the final look. Following rinsing, blow dry the hair completely. Employ a downward stretching technique as shown in professional guides to achieve a slick, smooth finish. The ironing step is crucial for sealing the treatment's benefits. Use thin hair strands and pass the iron 15 or 20 times. To maximize hair softness and pH balance, finishing with the Prohall Equalized mask is recommended.